From the beginning of the chapter, we have been reviewing different options to decide whether to admit a resource inside Kubernetes. In this module, let's review the different options that are currently available to write custom policies in Kubernetes. Well, we have seen pod security policies, discussed its challenges leading to its removal from Kubernetes. Then, we looked at pod security admission, which is a successor of the pod security policy. Having looked at both, do you think pod security admission solves all the challenges that existed with pod security policy? The short answer is no. Pod security policies provided much granular customizations, whereas pod security admission provides 3 levels of pod security standards to suit common needs to a cluster. And then, pod security admission provides an easy way to quickly configure pod security with different modes of enforcement. So, what do we do when the pod security admission does not meet our needs? What if we wanted to write custom policies? What is a tool that we have learned in this module that allows us to write custom policies with integrations with Kubernetes? That's right. OPA Gatekeeper is the project that we discussed before that helps us write complex policies using a Rego language, and with its integration to Kubernetes admission controllers, you can pretty much customize your policies to any given length. OPA Gatekeeper is not the only option, though. There is a more recent project named Kyverno that allows to write custom policies. Here's a quick showdown of the 2 most widely applauded policy customization options in Kubernetes. OPA is a CNCF graduated project that has been around for quite some years, and OPA Gatekeeper provides first-class integration between OPA policies and Kubernetes. Compared to Kyverno, OPA Gatekeeper has a huge community, and because of the CNCF graduated status, it is also a little more mature than Kyverno. OPA uses Rego as a policy language, which can be a new language for someone to learn. However, if you are thinking of using Rego as a policy language across the tech stack in your organization, then OPA Gatekeeper is a good choice for Kubernetes. While all sorts of complex policies can be written in Rego, OPA Gatekeeper, at this time of writing, supports mutations as a beta feature. Kyverno, on the other hand, is relatively new. It is still in CNCF sandbox status. Kyverno is native to Kubernetes. So, policies are written in YAML, and you don't need to learn another language just to write policies. However, if you think of writing complex policies in YAML, then things a little cumbersome, and to its advantage, Kyverno supports mutations from the get-go. Well, that's not all. There is another tool named Datree, spelled as D-A-T-R-E-E, that supports writing custom policies for Kubernetes. Remember to check out the hands-on lab exercises available for this chapter to check out some of these tools in action. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. We will move on to the next lecture.